Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today I just want to go through my analysis for the upcoming week. As usual, I'll be going through the four major pairs: gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, and GBP Now with gold, starting from the weekly time frame, we can see that price has gotten or just rejected off this resistance level over here, represented by the blue line, by the red line, and that's on the weekly time frame. And you can see that price is around this little support level here, which is a 4-hour support level. I will show you very soon. There's a possibility, just looking from the weekly time frame, that price could break that and come all the way down to back down to the trend line here, or this support level over here. Now if we go to the daily time frame, we can see that price is just around that support level, okay, and price has rejected several times, as you can see by these long wicks over here, the several rejections of this area here. So which for me is a strong indication that price could bounce off it and continue to the upside. Now if we go to the 4-hour time frame where I normally take my entry, you can see clearly the several rejections of this 4-hour support level. Nice pin bar over here. Okay, so for me this is an indication that price may reject and continue to the upside. So for gold, I will be looking for buy opportunities around here, okay, and this for me is a signal that you should look for buy entries as well at this area. Now there's always that possibility that price could break this area, come back to retest it, and continue to the downside, testing this trend line over here as well as a support level before possibly bouncing back to the upside. Okay, so this area here is the area that I'll be looking out for in the upcoming week. Okay, the bounce may have already happened, represented as you can see from this pin bar here. It may have already happened and price may have started going to the upside already, but because this is forex, anything can happen. So they could be, price could still go back down here, retesting it, and go all the way down here before looking for buy opportunities around here. Because remember, buying down here is better than buying up here. So all the big market makers could have their buy orders around here, waiting for price to get there to trigger them and taking more profits from that level. But also, due to these multiple rejections here, you know, if you read price action very well, that there are a lot of buy orders around here, and that is why there have been several rejections of this level as well. So that's what I'll be looking out for gold in the upcoming week: buy opportunities around this area here, and if there is a break of this level, then buy opportunities around this area down here, right? So now the next pair that I'll be looking at is going to be the Euro USD. Now for the Euro USD, starting from the weekly time frame, you can see that price has gotten to this lower trend line and even broken and closed below it. So there's always the possibility that price could get all the way down to this support level over here, and even further break it and get all the way to this blue support level. So price could get all the way here or all the way down here before making an up move. All right, so as you can see from this double top that has been formed already, when price gets here, the double top is completed and we'll be looking for a break of this support level, and if it happens, price is getting down all the way to this support level here. Now if we take this to the daily time frame, we can see that price is moving in this sort of correction, that it's not exactly sure where it wants to go yet. So the sellers are reducing as time goes on, as the market isn't moving down in a very smooth manner. It just means that more sellers are leaving the market, and more buyers seem to be entering the market as well. So it it could mean that the buying could start all the way from here, or maybe get to this level here, then buy straight up to this level. All right. So but if you're going to look for a buy trade, I would encourage you to wait for this trend line here to be broken. Okay, you can, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, we can take our buy entries when this trend line here has been broken. Okay, then we'll probably wait for a retest here, then look for our buy entries to the upside. All right, there's the possibility, like I said, that price could just wick into this support level here, then before buyers come in and take the market to the upside. And also our third possibility is price getting down to this support level over here before looking for buy opportunities to the upside. So for Euro USD, I'll say we should wait and see how price reacts to this area, because we are not still certain how price is going to go. So I wouldn't encourage you to take any trade for Euro USD for now, and we should wait and see how price would react. All right, so that's my analysis for Euro USD. Now my analysis for GBP USD. Yes, so let's go to the weekly time frame as well. So as you can see from the weekly time frame that price has, you know, this blue line, if you remember from last week, is a very critical line for me. Price broke below this trend line as well, and quickly formed this lovely pin bar over here on the weekly time frame. And anytime any particular candlestick pattern forms on the weekly time frame, it's a very strong indication compared to lower time frames that price is going to go in the direction of the said pin bar. So this pin bar here is what we call a bullish pin bar. So for me, it's an indication that price will start its up movement now. And if you remember, this blue zone is where I said was very important, and price wicked below this blue zone, taking lots of people out, and came back to close just inside that blue area as well. Now if we look at the daily time frame, we can see that upon the break of the trend line, price got towards this support level over here and started making the move to the upside. Now in this area, a few things can happen here. All right, price could just get up to this level here, this resistance as well as the trend line, and move to the downside. So that will just be a trend line break and retest. Okay, so this area here for me is a key area that we'll be looking at in the upcoming week. So there could be a break above this area or a rejection of this area, and that is around the 1.38 area. It's my key level that I'll be looking out for. Now there could be a rejection of that area, or price could just break through and continue to the upside. Okay, so if there's a breakthrough of this area to the upside, I'll be waiting for price to first close above this blue line here before looking for my buy opportunities. If not, if price is still within this blue area, I wouldn't take any trades yet. But once there's a break above this blue line, then I will take my buy opportunities. And if price gets here and forms any bearish reversal candlestick pattern, I'll be looking for a sell around this area to the downside. So that is my analysis for GBP USD, is to wait until price get towards this area here, the 1.38 area, and see how price reacts when it gets here. There could be a break above it, above this blue line as well, then you're looking to buy. And if there's a bullish reversal pattern around this area, then you'll be looking to sell to the downside. Now my final analysis for today is GBP JPY. For GBP JPY, let me take you to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, you can see as well that price got to an area of support before quickly rejecting of that area. So this area of support here that has been tested several times and broken, came back, retested, and now formed support level over here. Immediately price got to that level, it quickly rejected, forming this lovely bullish pin bar. And this bullish pin bar formation is an indication that price will continue to the upside, so you should be looking for buy opportunities only in the upcoming week. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see that price has formed this morning star, which is a bullish candlestick pattern, and price is continuing to the upside. Now if you're not in this trade, no worries. There are two ways that we can look for our entries to the upside, because since this has indicated that price is going to the upside, we should only be looking for buy opportunities. So on the 4-hour time frame, to take our entry, we'll be looking at one, either price gets back down to this support level over here before looking for our buy opportunities and taking it to the upside, or price could just break this resistance level over here and just continue to the upside. Now once there's a break of this area over here, price will most likely retest it again, and you should be looking to enter your buy trade on the retest of this area and taking it to the next resistance area. But if price gets all the way down here, then we should be looking for our buy opportunities on this support level here and taking it all the way to the next area. So my bias for GBPJPY this coming week is buy, and I'll be looking for buy opportunities around this 150.9 level, or a break of the 152.2 level. That is where I'll be looking for my buy opportunities in these two areas. I hope this video has been very helpful to you. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe, and I would see you in the next video. Peace.